Good day, everyone. I am Glaizami Carelio, your reporter for today. Information technology is a key driver of supply chain management. First, let's define what is supply chain management. So, it is a broad-based function that encompasses all business and operational processes. Ang paghandle sa entire production flow of a good or services, starting from the raw components all the way to delivering the final product to the consumer. Now, the role of information technology to supply chain management is to provide the tools which can pick up relevant information or gitawag na tog source of information para mapadali ang mga process. Now, these are the 5 processes that supply chain management involve. First, we have procurement. It is the stage of buying those needed things in the company o ang pagpamalit usa ka proseso sa pagkuha sa mga importanteng galamiton sa kumpanya. The next one we have manufacturing. Example of this is kanang nagamit na sila og raw materials para sa ilahang processing of making finished product with the use of the tools, human labor, and machinery. The third, we have finished goods transportation. The finished product delivered to the consumer through transportation. Transportation plays a vital role to supply chain management by delivering to and from facility with a flow smoothly and arrive at their designated destination on time. The fourth one, we have warehousing and distribution. Warehouse is a place or spacious place that is used for the storage or accumulation of goods. So, diri gipangbutang o gistore ang mga goods. Distribution, a delivery of finished goods to buying center such as shopping centers, markets, and retailer stores. Warehousing and distribution go hand in hand in providing a more effective way of delivering goods. The last one we have inventory management. It includes several different aspects such as controlling and overseeing purchase gikan sa suppliers patubang sa customers. The next, we have enterprise resource planning. It provides the organization with tools to manage all the functions. Now, the role of information technology helps to increase the efficiencies of enterprise resource planning. Mauni ang process nga mag-gather ug organize sa business data through an integrated software suite. Procurement, production, sales, and finance management in seamless and integrated manner are the 4 parts of enterprise resource planning to manage all the functions. Again, as what I've said earlier, procurement is the buying stage. Production is the process of making the products until goes to sales to manage finance in an integrated manner. Demand planning, forecasting, global procurement management are some of the enabling tools in which the global procurement strategies are built and managed. The goals of these 3 is to strike a balance between having sufficient levels ug mao ang mo-meet sa customer sa needs nga walay pagkulang ug pagsobra sa expectation sa customers. The availability of this sophisticated system has enabled companies na maka-implement of good and cost-effective manufacturing practices. Next, we have e-commerce or electronic commerce. So, unsa may gamit ani niya? So, business model ni siya wherein pwede diri mamalit or mamaligya ang usa ka individual through internet. Best example of this is online selling, or shall I say e-commerce have these segments of business to business and business to consumer. Online purchase. is a form of electric commerce which allows consumers to directly buy goods or services from a seller over the internet using a web browser or a mobile app. Pananglitan na maligya ko og mga cosmetics through my Facebook account and then my friend purchased one of my product. So that's it, an example of online purchase. Next, we have customer behavior and preferences are changing as online marketing is establishing a one-to-one contact with the customer and can offer a personalized experience. Example of this is when you have a demanding customer nga magsigi og dali ug naa na ba ang iyang order. So we cannot prevent this type of troubles or problems. That's why it needs to be served immediately at the same speed. The last part, we have internet technology. It has further opened up the geographical boundaries for the companies. It is one of the most important enablers of the supply chain in complex modern world of global businesses. So example of this is any person sitting in any corner of the globe can purchase a product online at the click of a button. Bisag asa man ta mabutang, with the use of technology, usa ka click nato pwede na ta maka-purchase og mga products or can even communicate to our family. That's how technology helps us. On the other hand, when in a global scenario, goods and services move through multiple chains involving many agents, wherein nabilong diri ang transporters, forwarders, customs, distribution centers, distributors, and lastly, the retail outlets. The availability of data, documentation, information becomes the lifeline for the organization to be able to take decisions and ensure seamless processes and control the supply chain. Therefore, I conclude that internet technology is one of the most important that enables of the supply chain in complex modern world of global businesses. So that's all for my report. Hope you can learn something out of it. Again, this is Glyza Macarelio saying thank you and God bless everyone.